the Burj Khalifa. At more than 2,700 feet tall, it pierces the clouds. When it was finished in 2010, it redefined the skyline. People came from all over the world to see this monument to human ambition. But height comes with challenges. Building the world's tallest structure pushed the limits of engineering, finance, and even our responsibility to the planet. In the years since, no other building has surpassed it. Why is that? One reason is simple: physics. Gravity makes building tall structures incredibly difficult. The taller you go, the heavier the building gets. This puts enormous stress on the lower levels. Engineers had to invent new types of concrete and steel for the Burj Khalifa. They needed materials that were both strong and lightweight. Even with these advancements, the building still sways slightly in the wind. And then there's the problem of getting people up and down. Elevators in super tall buildings require special designs and powerful motors. These systems are complex and expensive. Building a skyscraper like the Burj Khalifa costs a lot of money, billions and billions of dollars. Finding investors willing to take that kind of risk is difficult. The global economy also plays a role. Recessions can make investors hesitant to fund risky projects. Even if a building gets approved, the cost of materials can fluctuate wildly, making it hard to stay on budget. The truth is, few cities can justify the cost of a building like the Burj Khalifa. Section 4. The environmental cost of up. We also have to think about the environmental impact of building so high. Super tall structures require huge amounts of resources to construct. They consume vast amounts of energy and water. The carbon footprint of a building like the Burj Khalifa is enormous. This raises important questions about sustainability. As we face the challenges of climate change, we have to consider the environmental costs of our ambitions. Building taller isn't always better. Section 5. Will we ever build higher? So, will we ever see a building taller than the Burj Khalifa? It's definitely possible. New technologies are always emerging. We might see stronger, lighter materials or even radical new building designs. But building taller will require more than just engineering ingenuity. We need to consider the economic and environmental costs. The next record-breaking skyscraper will need to be more than just tall. It will need to be sustainable, efficient, and contribute something positive to the world. Perhaps one day, we'll reach for the stars in a way that benefits all of humanity.